Hello students, in this question there are four options given, okay, and we have to check whether these four options are correct or not, okay. So here I will write properties, okay, here I will write properties which we will use here since it is a JEE advanced question, okay. So there are might be possibilities then there are using 4 to 5 properties in order to solve one question, okay. So we will write all those properties here, okay. I will write all those properties here, okay. And it is given that x is equal to summation of pk. I'm writing this matrices as A. So I'm writing it as A and PK transpose, and K varies from 1 to 6. This one is given. Okay. Now if I will expand this one, I will get the value as P1A, P1 transpose. Similarly, I will get P2A, P2 transpose, which goes up to P6A, P6 transpose. This one is written, okay. And first thing first, and P1, P2, P3, P6 is nothing but these all are the matrices which is given here, okay. And it is written as P1. If I'm writing P1 and I'm writing the transpose of it, it is equal to that, okay. So you can check that thing. So P1 is equal to its transpose, okay, and so is its inverse is also equal, okay. This is the property which is given, okay. This is the thing which we have, which we can understand with the which we can understand with the matrices which is given here, okay. So first property I will write here as, if I'm writing P inverse P, which is equal to I, okay, this one we can write. Second thing, instead of P inverse we can write P transpose P, which is equal to I. Hope you understand this thing. Why? Which is why? Because this one is given here. Okay. Now I will go with this first option, which is A is a symmetric matrices or not. So for solving symmetric matrices, we have to check third property, which is if I'm transposing the x, if I'm getting the value as same, which is x, okay. If I'm transposing the x value, x matrices, and I'm getting the same x, we can say that it is symmetric, okay. So I'm writing here as symmetric, okay. Now I will transpose this one, I will get the value as p1a, p1 transpose, plus p2a, P2 transpose, which will goes up to P6A, P6 transpose to transpose, okay. And here I am writing the fourth property, which is, if I will write A plus B transpose, it will give you A transpose plus B transpose, okay. So I am writing here as it is. So I can write the value as P1A, P1 transpose to whole transpose, plus P2A, P2 transpose to whole transpose, which will goes up to P6A, P6 transpose to whole transpose. This one I can write, okay. Now there are fifth property which we will use here as, if I'm taking AB transpose, okay, it can be written as B transpose, A transpose, just reverse, okay. So I will write this one as P1 transpose to whole transpose, A transpose, and P1 transpose. This one we can write. Similarly, I can write this as P6 transpose to whole transpose, A transpose, plus P6 transpose we can write, okay. This one we can write. Now P1 transpose ka transpose, it is nothing but it is equal to the same P1, and A transpose, if I will transpose this value, I will get the value as A, okay. So I am writing here as A. So I will write P1 transpose as P1 transpose, okay. It will goes up to P6 transpose. Similar thing we can write P6 A, P6 transpose, okay. And we can see that this one and this one is same, okay, which means that it is equal to x. So from third property we can say that this is a symmetric matrices, okay. Now we will go with the second option, which is whether the sum of diagonal entries of x is 18 or not, okay. So for that we will go with P1 and P1 transpose can be written as P into P inverse. So I can write it as I. Okay, I can write it as I. So I will write it as IA. So it will goes up to 6. So I will write it as IA. Okay, so here I will write it as 6. So I into A will give you A, and A into 6 will give you 6A. Because there are six things na, P1, P2, P6, so we can write it as 6A. Okay, now if I will expand A, I can write the value as 213 102. Okay, 3 2 1. This one I can write. Now if I will add the diagonal, I will get the value as 3. Okay, and 3 into 6, it is nothing but it is equal to 18. So answer is 18. So option B is also correct. Let's go with the option D. That will be the firstly we will solve option D, then after that we will solve the option B. Okay, now if I will go with the option B, I can write the value as x into 1 into 1 into 1. Okay, instead of 1 into 1, I will write it as xb. Okay, so here I will write p1 a p1 transpose into b. Okay, plus p2 a P2 transpose into B. Okay, this one I can write. If I will expand this one, I will write the value as P3A P3 transpose into B. Sorry, P6. It is the last term, na? So P6 it. Now, if I will solve P2, so P1 is inverse. Okay, so P1 is I. So if I will multiply any value with I, it will give you the same value. Instead of using P, I will go with the P2. Okay, so P2 transpose is nothing but, let's go with the P2. What is the value of P2? Let's check that. So P2 is nothing but 100 001 010. So I will write here as 100 001 010. This one I can write, and here I will write the value as B is 111. Okay, so if I will multiply this one, I will get the value as 111. Okay, so I'm getting the same thing. So P2B will, it is nothing but it is equal to 111. So I can write P2B as B, and P6 transpose into B, it will also give you B. So here I will write the value as P1 AB P2 AB. Okay, similarly it will goes up to 6, so I can write the value as P6 AB. Okay, now if I will take common AB, I will get the value as P1 P2, it will goes up to P6 into AB. Okay, this one I can write. Okay, instead of P1 P2, if I will add all these, okay, let's check P1 P2 P3 P4 P6 P4 P5 P6. Let's it is here right now. So if I will if you will add all these value, you will get the value as 2 2 2 2 2 2 and 2 2 2. This one you will get, and here you will get the value as 2 3 1 1 0 2 and 3 2 1. This one you will get. Okay, let's check the value of A, whether it is correct or not. Sorry, yeah, 213 102 321. So here I had written wrong. So 213 102 and what is there, 321. Yeah, this one is written correctly. Okay, and instead of B, I will write the value as A. So just multiply this one and multiply this one. So whatever be the value you will get, you can mark is the at the correct answer. So I will write 222 222, and here I will write 222. Okay, and I will multiply this one. I will get the value as 2 1s are 2 1 into 3. So I will get the value as 6 3 6. Okay, this one I will get. Now if I will multiply these two, I will take 2 common. I will get the value as 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. Okay, similarly in other column, in other row I will get 15, in third row I will get 15. Okay, now if I will take 15 common, I will get the value as 30. Okay, so here I will get the value as I. Okay, so instead of 30, I can write the value as alpha. Okay, and if you will check the option D, If you will check the option D, the alpha is equal to 30. Alpha is equal to 30. Hope you get this one. Let's go with the C option. Okay, C option is nothing but it is written as x. Okay, x xb, okay, which is equal to 30I. Okay, sorry, 30b, this one is written. Okay, so I will write it as correctly. Xb is equal to 30b, we already know that. Okay, instead of b it is 111. Okay, so I am writing like this. So if I will take xb and 30 on one side, okay, if I will take xb and 30 on one side, it is equal to 0. Okay, so now I will take x minus 30 common, so I will write it as b is equal to 0. Okay, and if I will multiply it with any identity matrices, it will give you 30I. Okay, which means that b is not equal to 0. B is not equal to 0. B is not equal to 0 because we had already taken b as 111. B is not already, b is not equal to 0, which means that we had already taken it as 111. Okay, which means that x minus 30I, x minus 30I is equal to 0. X minus 30I is equal to what? It is equal to 0, which means that it, so the determinant value of this is equal to 0, which means that it is non-invertible matrices. Why I am saying this one? Because if I will take A inverse, this is the last property, which is if I am taking A inverse, which is equal to adjoint of A upon determinant of A. What I'm saying? I'm saying A inverse is equal to adjoint of A upon determinant of A, and determinant of A is equal to 0, which means that it is not invertible matrices. And here we are getting what? X minus 30I is equal to 0. Okay, and so it is not invertible matrices. But in option C, let's check the option. But in option C, it is given that x minus 30I is an invertible matrices. So this option is correct. Oh, sorry, this option is wrong. So option A is correct, option B is correct, and option D is correct, and option C is not correct. Hope you get the answer. Thank you.